What a beautiful day here in West Mifflin. Yeah, I mean, a clean energy future for all is all about partnerships. It is about reaching out to everyone. You know, nobody's off limits, everybody's included. And so this is a great opportunity to demonstrate implementing things like this in communities that matter. So I'm really impressed by what we've done here.
The nice thing about this particular charging facility that we put in, it benefits the community. So it's not one that's closed to the public. Public are actually charging here, and it's kind of the first step with the boroughs.
We've always had a good relationship with Duquesne Light, with the street light LED program, the upgrading of the LEDs in the building. So things we're looking at, they're already almost ahead of it and presenting those programs. So they're not just there supplying us the power, they're looking for initiatives or ways to help us all improve life and save money.
There is so much going on behind the scenes that people don't realize. Duquesne Light's involvement not in just the municipality of West Mifflin, but really in the region.
Being a trusted partner, we can really provide that technical knowledge, cost investments that our customers need, and our dedicated team is here to, provide a low cost and efficient project for our customers. And as we provide access to electric vehicle charging across the service territory, in turn we'll see higher adoption of electric vehicles.
In Harrisburg, I serve as the chair of the subcommittee on utilities, right? So I get not only to see the utilities that I personally interact with in my home, but also all the utilities across the state. And so it's exciting to see Duquesne Light looking at new ways to innovate and invest in the communities that they represent.